What's good, Wealth Builders? It's your boy Devon back again with another video, and today we're talking about, does Ebates really pay? So let's go. Okay, so I don't know if you guys ever seen my videos about getting paid to shop, or my videos on how to get paid to do Valentine's Day shopping. Okay, basically what I'm saying is you get money back, cash back, every time you purchase something through a site called Ebates.com. Okay? Now, Ebates.com is basically a portal, a shopping portal, where they get paid for you going through them to purchase stuff. Okay, so say if you go through the website and purchase something from Groupon, Xfinity, GoDaddy, Udemy, Zales, eBay, Bloomingdale's, even Amazon. Sometimes it depends on Amazon, because sometimes they be frying. Fios, Pier 1, Kohl's, House. It's a bunch of different sites and stores you can get paid from, or get cash back from, aka get paid from, just by going through Ebates.com and signing up for free. Okay? And you literally just go to the website and sign up. Okay? And you can actually attach your card if you want to and get in-store discounts. So say if you are the type of person that likes to do your shopping at a mall or directly at the store, you can get your cash back by going to that store and getting paid. Okay? It's very easy. Okay? Now, the question is, do they really pay? Because this is what they say they do, but do they really do it? Okay, I'm gonna give you the answer right now by showing you proof. Okay, I'm clicking on it right now, as you can see. Okay, you want to see here we go, check it out. This is the proof that they pay you to shop. Okay, basically, okay, they've paid me $12.85 this year on February 4th. I'm recording this on February 24th. 20 days ago, they sent $12.85 to my PayPal account. Okay, now, all you gotta do is check out the they call it a big fat check, okay? So big fat check history to show you how many times I've gotten paid through Ebates, okay? Now let's go through Ebates. Let's scroll down, okay? Now, check it out. Boom. Every time I purchase through them, I've gotten money back, okay? It's not $1 million or a whole bunch of money, but it's money, okay? And it takes the sting out of purchasing something, okay? And if you have people birthdays coming up, holidays coming up, special occasions coming up, or you just have something you need to purchase for yourself or anything like that, or maybe your kids need some new sneakers, things of that sort, you want to go through Ebates. That's how you can get that discount and that cash back, okay? So it's a win-win situation. And then furthermore, you get $25 for every person that signs up through your link and uses Ebates, okay? They actually have to use Ebates for you to get the $25 to your account, okay? So all you gotta do at this point is very easy. Just click the link below, get signed up to Ebates, and start getting cash back every time you go through their site and purchase something. And again, it's not just physical items either. You can do travel, vacations, you know what I'm saying? Groupon deals. So it's like you want to go do something real quick in your neighborhood. Maybe you have something you want to try. Maybe a new restaurant you want to try. Maybe it's something, new activity you want to try. You can go through Groupon, through Ebates, and get money back for trying that and a discount. Come on, man. This is how you save more money, okay? Obviously, the whole basis of Wealthbuilders TV is to make more, save more, and build a better you. So why wouldn't you do it through something that can help you make more and save more, and then honestly can help you build a better you if you want to use it through Udemy, classes, and things like that. So come on, man. This is a no-brainer. Stop second guessing. Click the link below. Get signed up. Use Ebates. That's how you can start making some money. All right. So thanks for watching Wealthbuilders TV. Thanks for subscribing to Wealthbuilders TV. Do remember what my Wealth Builders: make more, save more, build more.